Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a vlog of a little bit of everything. I have some stuff that I need to get done. One, I need to film some videos for you guys. I need to edit videos. I need to meal prep my food for the week. It's Sunday and it's already what, noon 03. So like, yeah, the weekends go by super fast and it's like mad annoying because I feel like I was just waiting for Friday to come and now it's about to be Monday. So like, what in the entire world? But yeah, I need to get my life together. So that's basically what this vlog is gonna consist of. Okay, so right now I'm sitting at my filming desk. I have some water just to sip on in the event that I get thirsty during filming these videos. And I think I'm gonna film like a simple drugstore look just because I haven't done a drugstore video in a really long time. I actually need to re-up on more drugstore products, but I'm waiting till perfect time until I see a whole bunch of stuff that I want. And that way I could just get everything at once. And I'm also going to film an Amazon haul. So probably by the time this video is released, those will already be up. So check those out. Give them likes and all that for all my hard work. But yeah, we're about to go ahead and start filming. So I'm back and I just got done filming 2 videos for you guys, and now comes the hard work, and that's me actually having to edit them. And that's kind of where I get like, ugh, do I really need to be editing? Like, I wish I could just have somebody else do it, but I can't. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. Hopefully my food is going to be done thawing out within the next hour or so, and then I can go ahead and start meal prepping my lunches for the week and starting to prep dinner as well, because during the week your girl she just can't be bothered with actually cooking food. So I try to make my dinner for tonight, which is Sunday, and Monday night and Tuesday night, which is the same thing, and then my lunch meals for the week prepped, and then that way my boyfriend only has to cook on Wednesday night, and when he cooks Wednesday night, it's for Wednesday night and Thursday night, and then we eat out basically Friday night and Saturday night. That's just my life. I know people really hate meal prep and planning because it can be kind of annoying eating the same thing like every single day, day in and day out, but I honestly just don't care about that. Like, it's annoying, yeah, but I'd rather eat the same thing than cook every day because, girl, I just can't do it. Like, I don't know how people find the time to cook, like between working and doing stuff for YouTube and just trying to have like time to actually relax. Girl, where do you find the time? With that being said, I'm gonna make my way. I need to straighten up my bedroom, so that's what I'm probably about to do right now. y'all just saw, I straightened up my bedroom and it looks better than what it was looking before. Like, y'all, it was stuff everywhere. I still got this hat on the floor, but whatever. The best is gonna get with what I have here. Okay, so I'm not even gonna fool with any other part of my house because this is not a cleaning weekend for me. I'm just straightening up stuff as I go. But when I do my full cleans, which I do a full cleaning of my apartment like once a month because I can't be bothered, where I actually like vacuum and dust everything and wash the oven and he likes this ColourPop Luxe lip gloss. But other than that, I just straighten up stuff like probably what a normal person does. Just make sure everything is in order. And then I wash all of my clothes too that weekend. And then in between weeks, since I'm not going to work, I've only been washing my gym clothes weekly. So that's a good thing. I only wash my gym clothes every Sunday. And then once a week during the month, I wash everything that I've worn. So I have so many clothes that I can do that, which, stay tuned, like within the coming months or so, I'm doing a deep declutter of my closet. I'm trying to go a little Marie Kondo, like not super minimalism, but at least getting rid of stuff that I really don't wear, that I can't fit anymore. And then once I drop a few pounds, I will go completely new wardrobe shopping. And when I say completely new, I mean for the most part like 80% new things. But don't even get in your mind that I'm buying a whole bunch of stuff, because I'm not. I'm really limiting my wardrobe like way less than what I have now. The problem is I was really into fast fashion because that's what I could afford back in the day. But now that I have a better sense of like how much things should cost when it's not fast fashion, I feel like now I can appropriately go out and buy the things that I need that can last, even though it's going to be more expensive than your Fashion Novas and your Forever 21 type of stores, but they'll last. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then I need to start editing. Like, it's back to work, and hopefully by 3:30, 4 o'clock ish, I could be done with like the work portion of my day and go ahead and start cooking and stuff. So I'm out of the shower, and y'all, just like that, my the day just got gloomier, like it's about to rain. Oh, I took out my makeup, girl. She looks like a totally different girl, but she's still cute. Look, y'all, it's so dark now. Like, what happened? It's like 2. What time is it? I did work really quick. It's 2:27, and I'm already done filming for the day. Like, that's it. I'm having my lunch, which, don't laugh, like I got these 2 wings and some celery, and it's not because I'm trying to watch my weight, even though that's half of it. We had wings yesterday, and like normally I'm not a big lunch person, so when we eat out on Saturday, whatever I have for lunch is my dinner, or whatever is for dinner is a late dinner, and I didn't eat lunch that day. So that's typically what happens. We ordered a late lunch, early dinner, and it was wings. And I ate it from the span of about 4 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I snacked throughout the day on my dinner. And I ended up with 2 wings left, and that's just what it is, some celery. So I'm eating my leftovers, and I don't throw away any food. So even if I have 1 celery left, 1 wing left, I'm still gonna save it and eat it the next day. I don't care how big, how small it is, I'm gonna eat it. Y'all, so I just got done cooking and it turned out really good. I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful, and I went back to doing cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, which is pretty decent. To me, it doesn't taste super different, but it's not as filling as rice, which is, I guess, the kind of the point. But I already meal prepped everything, but this is how this looks so pathetic to show you this like this, but it is what it is. This is how it came out. Everything else has already been pretty much meal prepped and put up into containers, so that's why there's nothing left in there really. So we're gonna eat on that Monday and Tuesday night. My chicken is over here in the crock pot and it's starting to shred a little bit. I'll probably make like barbecue sliders. We got some Hawaiian rolls up in there and stuff, and then we could eat that for the whole week. And that's pretty much it for tonight. I just wanted to hop back on here and end the vlog for today. I am so happy you guys spent the day with me, but I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm about to chill, relax, and finish editing this vlog so that it can go up on time, so I can get at least 6 videos out for July. That's the goal. But with that being said, guys, make sure you like and subscribe the video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you come back for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.